Watch this. Hi there, I'm Julie, founder of Flat Stacks, and I'm going to show you why you're going to love Flat Stacks as much as I do. Now let me tell you some very important things about Flat Stacks. You're going to love the fact that they are color coded. The lids match the bases, so if you're familiar with that whole cupboard at home, you won't have that problem anymore. Also, they're super durable. They're made of food grade silicone. That's why we give you 5 years warranty, because they will last you forever. They are also heat resistant, so you can put anything hot inside. And what I love about Flat Stacks is that you only have to use one container. So once I've taken it out of the baking tray, I can serve the lamb. Now, as the leftovers are in there, now all I have to do is put the lid on. Make sure you always push in, not down, until you're ready to save space, and just pop the lid up, let the air out. Make sure you press the little button down at the top, and that will keep it really fresh. And look how much space you save.
I bought some Flat Stacks recently and just absolutely loving them, especially for work. I walk to work. I don't like to use plastic, so before I had glass containers. But now with the Flat Stacks, silicone, so all BPA free, it's not as heavy as glass. I just put them in my handbag and I know they're not going to break or chip. Absolutely loving them. They're so easy to use, easy to clean, easy to store. Fantastic.
And if you like cooking casseroles and soups, you can do all your meal prepping so easy. I have got some bolognese sauces here, but it could be anything.
The thing I like most about the Flat Stacks is that they come in all different shapes and sizes, so they're easy for all different meal preps. We've got the bigger block, which is flat strong like that. We've got the little ones that we can take to the gym and they fit easily inside the fridge.
Flat Stacks are great for all variety of food, to keep everything really fresh. Fresh bread, fresh fruit, fresh vegetables. And as I said, you can display, it looks great, and it saves so much washing up.
I like Flat Stacks because in the caravan here, as you can see, they're easy to see, they're compact. I've travelled quite extensively in the caravan around Australia, and I would recommend them to anybody.
If you would like to feel super organised in your kitchen at home with Flat Stacks, we have a size, a colour, a shape for everyone, whether you live in a small area or a large area. If you're boating, caravan camping or barbecuing, you will love Flat Stacks. So please, we do have some free gifts we're giving away today. Click the link below to get your free Flat Stacks.